Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to Vegan Cooking at Hilded Cafe with my sweetheart Hillary, me, and Champ. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make pasta con limone con carciofi. That's how they call it in Italy, meaning it's a lemon pasta with artichokes. And here are the ingredients that you need. After you cook the artichokes, you're going to remove this one by one until you reach the heart of the artichokes. So here we're getting close to the heart of the artichokes. So we just need to take this out, and we're going to be needing this part. Okay, the water's boiling, so we're going to drop the pasta.
Ow, that water's hot.
So you reach the heart of artichoke, and we're going to slice it in small pieces. Okay, we're going to put it back here in our bowl. Okay, and then we're going to saute the garlic and onion. Pour olive oil. Check the pasta from time to time and make sure your pasta is not mushy.
Stop, thief.
Okay, saute the garlic. Don't burn it. Lower the heat. And here we have the vegan butter. And we're gonna take a teaspoon of vegan butter and we'll drop it with the oil. Put it back on a medium heat. So now you have the extra virgin olive oil with the flavor of the sauteed garlic and a teaspoon of vegan butter. We're going to drop the onions. And from here, you're going to lower the heat. Add also some celery. And cover it for a few minutes. This lemon, we're going to grate the skin. So this is how it looks like when you grate the skin of lemon. Next thing we're going to do is slice the lemon into half. And we're going to squeeze some lemon onto the sauteed onion. Now this onion is already caramelized, and the next thing we're going to do is drop the artichoke. I just dropped the artichokes, put a little bit of salt on it, basil and oregano. While you're cooking this in a low heat, your pasta, I just drained it. Pour a little bit of olive oil so the pasta won't stick together, and stir it. So I squeezed half size of lemon. Pour a little bit of cilantro on top. Okay, so this is done. The next thing we're gonna do is pour the cooked spaghetti on top and mix it all together. The last thing you're gonna do is just remember the grated skin of lemon. We're going to spread it on top. Yay, it's ready! So here's the lemon pasta with the artichoke leaves. Just separate in a bowl. You can eat it separately, and you can use your own dip or just use the olive oil or veganese. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time on our next episode. Enjoy and eat cruelty-free. It's super delicious!